Imagine needing to punch a massive 20-inch hole straight through solid, steel-reinforced concrete and actually looking forward to the job. That is the kind of confidence this heavy-duty monster from BLUEROCK brings to a job site. It is a serious piece of industrial machinery designed for those massive, high-stakes drilling tasks that would make smaller rigs literally smoke. Right off the bat, the sheer scale of the setup is intimidating, but in a good way. It sits on a rugged rolling base, which is a lifesaver because trying to lug this heavy beast around without wheels would be a nightmare. The tilting stand is incredibly smooth to adjust, allowing for angled drilling that feels surprisingly controlled. When locking it into an angle, there is a reassuring sturdiness to the frame that tells you it is not going to budge or vibrate out of alignment mid-cut. Now, power-wise, this is not something you run on a standard household outlet. It draws 16 amps at 220 volts, utilizing a heavy-duty twist-lock plug. You will need a proper generator or a dedicated commercial power source to feed it. But once it is plugged in, the 3-speed gearbox gives you serious versatility. You can drop it down to 360 RPM for those massive 20-inch cuts where torque is everything, or crank it up to 1,000 RPM for smaller, faster holes. Shifting between those gears has a very mechanical, satisfying clunk to it, though sometimes you have to give the spindle a tiny turn by hand to get the gears to line up perfectly before it clicks in. Honestly, the only real drawback is the sheer physical effort required to transport and set it up. Even with the wheels, it is a workout to get it off a truck bed. But once it is anchored and running, the weight actually works in your favor, dampening vibrations and keeping the cut incredibly clean. For serious contractors tackling asphalt or thick concrete foundations, this rig is a dependable workhorse that turns a brutal chore into a highly satisfying, precise operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.